there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, it's a 3D printer showdown between the QIDI MAX3 and the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS. It's like a battle of tech titans, but with way more plastic. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the thing that burns a hole in your pocket: the price. The QIDI MAX3 will set you back a cool $1,099. That's right, folks. It's got a comma in the price tag. Meanwhile, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is a much more wallet-friendly $375. So if you're trying to save some cash for, I don't know, food or rent, the Sonic Mini might be your go-to. Now, let's talk size. Printing size, that is. The QIDI MAX3 boasts a colossal 325*315 millimeters printing area. It's like the Godzilla of 3D printers, big, fast, and a little intimidating. With a max speed of 600 millimeters per second, this thing could probably print a new car before you finish watching this video. On the other hand, the Sonic Mini 8KS is, well, mini. It's got a smaller build area, perfect for those who are more into printing action figures than action movie props. Here's where things get juicy: print quality. The Sonic Mini 8KS has a resolution of 22 micrometers, which is so detailed it could probably print out your fingerprint and fool your iPhone. It's like the Michelangelo of 3D printers. The QIDI MAX3, while fast and large, focuses more on versatility and less on ultra-fine detail. It's like comparing a race car to a Swiss watch. Both are impressive, but in different ways. Let's talk about ease of use. The Sonic Mini 8KS is like the IKEA of 3D printers. Simple, straightforward, and you'll barely need the manual. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to spend their weekends swearing at a machine. The QIDI MAX3, though, comes fully assembled and auto-leveling, which is great. But with all its advanced features, it's like getting a spaceship for a road trip. Fantastic if you know what you're doing, but slightly overkill if you don't. Versatility is key, and the QIDI MAX3 is a jack of all trades. It can handle everything from PLA to carbon fiber. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Sonic Mini 8KS sticks to resin but does it exceptionally well. Think of it as a specialist, like a brain surgeon who only works on brains, but is the best at it. Reviewers are generally impressed with both 3D printers, but for different reasons. The QIDI MAX3 is praised for its large build volume, versatility, and customer service. However, it has a few minor software issues and a complicated touchscreen interface. On the other hand, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is lauded for its excellent print quality, speed, and affordability, although it requires a ventilated space and has some customer service concerns. So which one should you get? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, high-resolution printer that's easy to use, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is your new best friend. But if you want a versatile, high-speed beast that can print almost anything you throw at it, and you've got the cash to spare, the QIDI MAX3 is your go-to. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment below which printer you'd choose. Until next time, remember to buy smart. Product links are in the description.